up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel Deep. Today I'll be taking you guys to a waterfall. It's pretty hidden waterfall, so I'll be exploring them. Before we go to waterfall, let's have some breakfast. I'm traveling with my cousins this time. It's not a solo trip, so it's a bit different. Yeah, so these are them having breakfast. Yeah, so watch my video, keep following my channel. This place is called Tanglir Waterfall. It's pretty hidden, I heard, so I'll show you guys how to get there, and the view is insane, guys. So follow up with my video and I'll show you guys how's the place like. We took a stop here for a while. We are at Genting Sempah here. It's an R&R before heading to the waterfall. So it's pretty near. The waterfall is just about 10 minutes away from here. So you guys, if are heading to waterfall, maybe you can come here to get some snacks, to go to the toilet before hiking. Yeah, so we're gonna chill here for a while, go to the toilet, you know, get ourselves ready, get some fresh air. And then from here we'll be heading to Tanglir Waterfall. We are just about to reach already. It's 10 minutes away. So yeah, just take some rest and I'll catch you guys again. Alright guys, we have reached to the waterfall. So this is the starting point. I'm standing here, and if you guys are coming here, you guys can race to Acres Resort. So this is the place like. You guys can park your car around here. And this is the starting of the journey. What's up guys?
Yo!
Ready?
Let's go, let's go!
Let's go!
Waterfall! Ah. Ada waterfall. Ay kepala yang mana? Ah, tak ada. Itu aja turun mah.
Looks like today is a good day. Sunshine. Looks like today is a good day for a hike and a waterfall. Hope we'll have a good time there. The main thing is hopefully we'll able to find the waterfall, because my cousins have been here before. They couldn't find the real place. So hopefully we'll be able to find, and I'll show you guys what are the main way to get to the place, because it's pretty confusing. There's no much signboard here. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching my video, and I'll bring you guys to the hidden waterfall of Tanglir. Alright guys, once you guys have come to the top, you will reach at this point. So there will be two places, two exits. So make sure to take this exit. This, I don't know it leads to where, but if you guys want to go to the waterfall, you have to go here. So yeah, make sure don't get confused, or else you will end up somewhere else. Yeah, make sure take left. Alright, beautiful scenery. Yeah, I'm already tired now itself. Yeah, you got to hike up a little to go to this waterfall. So make sure bring some water, some equipment to help you guys, because it's pretty tired hiking up. Yeah. Okay, we have reached to another exit here. There's two exits over here. There's no any signboard, take note. So yeah, you have to go straight. There's actually one dead end here, another exit, there's a door, but we have to go straight. Yeah, mainly this place here, there's no any signboard, so you have to take note on which exit you guys have to take. Yeah, make sure don't get yourself lost. Oh, I'm already tired now itself. Hopefully I'll be able to reach today. Okay, this is the third exit, and 1, 2, 3. There's 3 places, so take the most left exit. Remember guys, this is the third exit, and take the most left, the third one. Alright, the one I showed you guys. Alright, sorry guys, I'm a bit exhausted. Another thing guys, if you are coming here, don't wear slippers. Please wear your shoes, because it's pretty much of a hike. Yeah, and bring some water. Yep. Alright, we have reached to another exit now. There's 2 places. This is the 4th or 5th exit, can't really recall. So one is going down, one is going up towards the right. We were walking at that trail earlier, so make sure take the right exit, the one going to the up. Yeah, because I guess previously my cousins took the down exit and they were lost. So yeah, the trail is pretty muddy. It's pretty muddy, so be careful when you guys take your step. Alright guys, that's the signboard, and where's the waterfall?
There's a plastic
rope
wrap
here.
over here.
There's a plastic over here, you can see. And front there's a sign, and
This is
there's the trail to go to the waterfall actually. Yeah, so don't get yourself confused. It looks pretty dangerous, but it's worth going there guys. You see? Yeah. Yeah, you have to actually go down towards here. It looks pretty dangerous, but yeah, so don't get yourself confused. You guys will see a signboard over there, you guys can see, and yeah, from there take this exit over here. You guys will be able to see some pipelines here. Yeah, but we are heading to a temple here. It's called Brahma temple, so we'll come here after that, and I'll show you guys how to go to the Brahma temple, and from there how to come here. So yeah, Brahma temple is actually further up from this exit. So this is the exit to the waterfall. That's the signboard, and Brahma temple is towards front. Yeah, so after visiting the temple we'll come here back, and yeah, let's follow the journey and see how does the Brahma temple looks like here. If you guys have any question, you guys can comment down below how to get here. I'll reply your comment as fast as I can. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so any question, comment down below guys. I'll try my best to reply. Yeah. Yeah, so we have reached to Brahma temple. I was taking a video there earlier, so it's pretty near. It's about 50 minutes away. Yeah. Oh, it's a Hindu temple, not Brahma temple. So yeah. So this is the Hindu temple, and now we will be heading to Brahma temple. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we have reached to the Brahma temple. This is the Brahma temple, you guys can see. The view here, it's pretty beautiful as well. There's a small waterfall here, but yeah, I'm feeling very positive, guys. It's so positive vibes here with the waterfall sound, temple. So much of energy, guys. Alright guys, that was the temples over there, and now we are heading to the waterfall event finally. So yeah, let's go to the waterfall now. Alright, now we are heading back to the waterfall. This is the earlier temple we came, and now we are heading down. So let's go to the waterfall now.
The main attraction of the place.
So this is the signboard. That's the main sign. Earlier I showed you guys, and that's the waterfall over there. Remember earlier that sign I showed you, but we went further up to see the temples, and right now we are here back to see the waterfall. So this is the trail. Oi. It's a bit slippery, so be careful. So that place actually was very steep and a bit dangerous, so we came to another spot here. We found another spot. That was the first one we saw, and now we are going here. This was the earlier trail. That was the earlier trail, and it looks really steep and really dangerous, so we took this way, and we are just about to reach. It's just down there. Let's go. We can hear the waterfall from here. Yeah, we are about to reach. Alright guys, we have reached to the waterfall, man. It's really insane, guys. Let me show you guys how it looks like. This is the place I was talking about, guys. It's the best. Hidden waterfall, not much people here. You can have your own fun and it's so beautiful. Now let's have fun, guys. It's time for me to have fun. I'll see you guys later. I want to enjoy the waterfall now. And yeah, cheers. Alright guys, we have come to an end. So this was about the Tanglir Waterfall. It's raining here already. So we were here for 4 hours. We were here from 12. Now it's 4 already. So yeah, it's time for us to head back since it started raining. And the water here have changed color here as well. You guys saw what was the water color when we came here. It was pretty clear. And now it have changed. And yeah, it's raining pretty heavy now already. It's raining pretty heavy. So yeah, it's time for us to make a move. The boys are getting ready now. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys saw how is the Tanglir hidden waterfall. And you guys can come here anytime. You guys can watch this video how to get here. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in another adventure. Cheers!